Hello and welcome back everyone in my new episode how to make these beautiful flower vases. Aren't they beautiful? So in today's episode we are going to make these beautiful flower vases. It's so simple and very easy. Just give it a try. Let's start. Take some cement as shown, okay, and add sand in it and add some water and stir it very well so that the sand and the cement mixes very well and it makes a good mixture like this. So now take one cup or vessel and the cloth which you want to dip in that mixture. So I am measuring the piece of cloth of which size I want the flower vase, and another you can see I am measuring different piece of cloth with the size of flower vase. Now dipping the cloth inside that mixture and stirring it very well so that the complete cloth is well dipped in the mixture of the cement and sand. Okay. Now you prepare the cup like that so that the cloth can rest over it and it can make a good flower vase. Okay, now take that cloth out and just put over that cup. You can make in your own way the type of vase you want. Okay, I am here making the wrinkles in this cloth so that the flower vase will look beautiful, making wrinkles in all the places and making it smooth as far as possible. Similarly, making other flower vase. Now let them dry for a couple of days and they will be ready for next step. Now removing the plastic jugs and the cups, you can see the beautiful flower vases left. Okay, they might be stuck up in the vases, but you should gently take them out, and you can see the beautiful flower vase is left. In this way you can remove other plastic cups, but one thing you should take here is that you can also apply the plastic so that the removal of the cups will be easy. Now after the painting you can see they are very beautiful, and now I am again going to paint a red color. Okay, now dipping that flower vase in the red colored bucket, you can see the red paint is coming inside. I have made the hole so that the vase will have a drainage later on, and you can see a beautiful circle has been marked with the red color at the bottom of the flower vase. And let the paint fall off from the vase and just put it just like this. Okay, and let this flower vase dry for some time. Similarly, you can just dip other flower vases inside the color and it will make a beautiful circle around the flower vase. If you want to brush it, you can also brush the color you want, but you cannot have a very even type of circle around the vase. That's why I have just dipped in inside the red color. Okay, now you can place this flower pot inside these flower vases, and look how beautiful they look inside this flower vase. You see, it fits well. Also, you can use any of the pots, or you can use straight mud into that. Okay, now I'm placing another cup inside this flower vase. You can see that it looks very beautiful inside the vase. You can change any of the flower pot easily, or you can just add sand in it and plant a flower in it. Because I have already made the holes, the drainage will be well. In this way you can make a beautiful flower vase with the help of cement and an old piece of cloth. Just give a try. Please comment below if you have any queries. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good time.